Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? I hope that everyone is doing well. It is now deep into spring and it's finally getting warm here, so it's very sunny outside today and that always puts me in such a good mood. So today I have an exciting unboxing of a couple of new things that I got. So the first thing I will start off with is from Louis Vuitton. And my good friend picked this up for me while she was on a recent trip abroad. So it comes in this box, and then just open the magnetic closure. It has a little dust bag. To reveal the notebook cover. So this is similar to the 3-ring binders that I feel like are more popular from Louis Vuitton. I think those are like called the Agenda or something like that. This one comes with a little lock, but it doesn't actually have a key, so you can't actually write any secrets in here. And then when you open it, it has 2 slips where you just slide your notebook in. So yeah, it's made of canvas. I think the inside might be red leather, and then of course we have the little bit of the leather here. I'm going to take the stickers off here, and the hardware is very shiny since it is brand new. Okay, so there we go, super shiny. And then this one as well. And yeah, on the front it just says Louis Vuitton Paris. And yeah, that is my first piece for today's video. Okay, so the second item is from Gentle Monster. I recently went to Korea and stopped by the flagship Gentle Monster store, so I figured I could not leave without picking something up. And the interesting thing about this store was that, so it has, I think, like 4 or 5 floors. The design in the store was very cool. They had just like a really interesting vibe and like almost like interesting robotic sculptures and just like lots to see. So I definitely recommend checking it out if you're ever in Seoul. But the interesting thing was that I think they mostly had new and current collection items, and they didn't really have the styles which are like classic Gentle Monster, which are the ones that I guess are their classic styles that they've had for many years. So I guess that's one thing to keep in mind, or maybe they do have those classic styles, they're just not like on display. Maybe they have them like in the back in storage or something like that. So I did pick up 1 pair of sunglasses in this bag. So it comes in the white box, and then it has this very plushy leather case, which is like kind of triangular. To reveal. Okay, let me just take off this wrapping. These sunglasses. So the style is called the Avon. It says right there. So the detail is they have the little circles here as well as this little detail on the side. They are black. I think the style also came in other colors, but I chose black just because they're the most classic. So yeah, these are like a very slight cat eye oval shape. I think the oval sunglasses have been very popular recently, so I picked these up. They're very comfortable. I think Gentle Monster sunglasses are some of the most comfortable, especially for Asian face shapes. So I have another pair and I love wearing those just because they always stay on my nose, are very lightweight. And then in the store, upon purchase, they also offered adjustments. So they adjusted mine to like fit my face, and my husband also got a pair and they also adjusted his. So I thought that was very nice. And I think the previous pair I'd gotten, I had just ordered online, so I didn't get any adjustments to those, but those ones still fit fine as well. But I guess these ones are probably adjusted to fit me better. So yeah, that is the second purchase that I have to share. Okay, so now just moving some things around so that there's more space. Okay, and then the last item that I have for today is from Van Cleef, the usual two-sided bag. Okay, so as usual, it comes with the certificate of authenticity, which is this little booklet, and in here is the certificate, which comes out like this. Oops. So this is the certificate. And then, oh yes, and then of course the receipt, which comes in this nice little envelope. And then the item. So as always, it has the beautiful ribbon and box. So I guess this must be a new policy as of, actually, so yeah, I guess this is the new policy since the last time I purchased a piece, but you're only able to choose either the regular jewelry box, or they have this, they call it like the carrying case, but it's kind of like a soft version of the jewelry box. So they no longer offer the travel pouch. And the last time I made a purchase, I think they only offered the normal box and they didn't have the soft like travel box available yet. I don't know what the official term for it is, but this time when I made my purchase, they were like, okay, choose one, and they showed me both the box and the like travel pouch, I guess. So this is the beautiful ribbon, and now I will unbox. So, oops, as I said, I chose the regular box to reveal the Carnelian Vintage Alhambra earrings. So I will zoom in so you can see them. So the pair I chose, there were two options for me to choose from, and I actually went to a couple of stores. One store had, so the Carnelian can vary in both like transparency as well as color. Sometimes it's more brown, sometimes it's more red. One store that I went to only had a pair that was very brown, so I didn't want those. So this store, the two pairs they showed me were like pretty similar in shade, I would say. So you can see these are like pretty red, but it does vary depending on like the type of lighting that you're in. But these ones I picked were a little bit more on the translucent or transparent side. Okay, so these do come in yellow gold. So if I take it out, this is what it looks like, and the backing is connected. So to put it on, you just go like that, and then you snap it back in place. So I will try one on. It was very annoying in the store because they wouldn't allow you to try it on. You could only like hold it up to your ear with, they have like this little plastic stick thing, which I feel like that is a new policy because I've definitely been to Van Cleef stores and tried on the earrings. So this is what it looks like. So I chose these, I was deciding between carnelian and mother of pearl because I obviously have the mother of pearl necklace. And I decided to go for the carnelian because it is a little bit different. And I'm not sure I would ever wear the mother of pearl with mother of pearl earrings, just because it is like kind of a statement, but I feel like with the carnelian it doesn't stand out as much, so they can be both casual or more dressed up, so that's why I went for the carnelian. And yeah, I love how they look. I'm just looking at them now because I've never actually seen this pair on my ear, so yeah, I love how shiny they are, and depending on the lighting, it looks like more transparent or not, which is cool. So yeah, that is the final purchase that I wanted to share for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and are having a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye.